Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. Sorry if there's any wind noise. I don't have my my wireless microphone from DJI yet. I guess Saturday is when it's supposed to be in, and I want to get this project done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a hasp and a lock on the shed door here, and I'm trying to video a different way, so bear with me. It's mounted to my chest, so I've got both hands to work, so don't know how well it's going to work, but I'm going to try. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a Sharpie, and I'm going to grab the hasp here, and I'm going to put it together like that, and then I'll try to keep an eye on the camera and make sure that I keep everything in frame. I'm not used to filming like this. So about there, looks about good. So and that looks fine to me. So I've got a rough idea of where it needs to be, and that's all. I mean, it's not like we have to be aircraft precision here. So I'm just gonna get it on there like so, and hold it with 2 fingers, and hope I'm staying in the frame on this. I'm sorry if I didn't. And I'm just gonna make me 4 marks here, just like that. So I've got 4 marks, and then I'm gonna grab this little screwdriver here with my multi-tool. I mean, I don't actually, to be honest, I don't own a center punch, and I didn't feel like grabbing a hammer. I just grabbed my multi-tool here, and I'm just gonna give the center of these holes a love tap so that when I start my drill bit, that's where it goes. Otherwise, you have issues with what they call walking. Now what I'm going to do is take my drill bit here. Let me get you back in frame. And let me turn up my speed. Okay, now that was a 1/16 bit. Now I'm switching out to a 3/16 bit. Oops, sorry. I know I was out of frame there. Sorry. Yeah, it's tearing the metal there. Have to be careful of that. And then there's a brace back there that's going to help hold it. So what I'm going to do, this ought to be pretty close. I'm going to grab this here and see what I'm going to do here. There we go. I want this to be able to sit, you know, or this rather, to be able to sit flat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab me some rivets here. I'm using rivets. It came with screws, obviously with metal that thin. I didn't want to use the screws. So we're going to use rivets. And my rivet gun is going to have a little bit of an issue doing this because it can't quite clear, make sure we're on camera there, it can't quite clear, you know, that, so it's going to be at an angle a little bit, so, and that's fine, I guess. Not much I'm going to be able to do about it. Oops, didn't mean to hit the camera there. Might have to Might have to open that one up a little bit. Let's see if kind of like to keep it as tight as possible, you know. So, grab our drill here. Just open it up a little bit. There we go. Just like that. Okay, so gonna put our tool on here and kind of get lined up if we can. And in fact, I'm going to grab another rivet down here and I'm going to stick it in here. There we go. Just like that. That way I know that we've at least got 2 holes lined up. So now, trying to get the piece out. Come on, eject. There we go. Next. There we go. Next. There we go. And one more for this side. Let me go run that drill through there. I don't think we were really lined up all that well. I didn't want to force too much. Come on. Yeah, to come out. So anyway, that is that side. And even though it had that gap, it still got them pretty good and tight. So next, I'm going to grab the other side of the hasp here. I'm going to match it up. I'm going to center everything about halfway. Oops, sorry. I'm going to center everything about halfway. And what I'm doing, more than anything, is I'm noting where the edge of that is on the door. Yeah, sorry. Right there. And then doing my best, which is pretty much right up against the door. So as long as my height stays right, yeah, sorry, hang on. I'm gonna manually move you real quick. Oh, quit fighting me. Step back this way. So, grab my marker and get it ready. And I got everything centered. Let me bring this up a little bit. Okay, got everything centered here. And what I'm just going to do is open this up. I'm keeping it the same height. At least I'm trying to. And I know you're out of view. Sorry. Hang on, let me make these marks. There's nothing I can do. Okay, sorry about that. There you go. So, I just made marks real quick. Now I'm going to do the same thing I did a while ago. gonna grab this and this. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna grab my drill, switch back to my 1/16 bit. Whoa! Hello there. Okay, and I'm going to proceed to drill my holes. And I hope I had that door shut all the way when I did that. Yeah, I'll drill on the left hand side. I'll show you what I mean. Okay. So what I'm going to do, when I drill, I'm going to put pressure going this way on the drill. So that when I drill, oops, my hole's too small, pilot hole, my drill's still wanting to walk. There we go. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, and I'm sorry if I'm getting out of frame, folks. Again, this is the first time I've ever tried filming like this, and I didn't know if it was going to go swell or not. So, let me have my rivet gun here, and what I'm going to do, I've got two holes. I've got two holes there, and so what I'm going to do is I've already got one in the gun. I just wanted to get one in there again to line that up. There we go. Now, come on there, good. So now what I'm going to do, make sure everything's lined up, and it's fine. Everything looks good. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab my drill. Grab me a couple more rivets here. I believe they shorted me one rivet. We're supposed to be 10 in that package. Those were the free rivets. Came with the rivet gun. Alright. There you go. A hasp. We top this off with an ABUS lock. ABUS, Alpha, Bravo, Uniform, Sierra. And my next video is going to show you why. Nice ABUS weatherproof lock. There you go. Secure in the shed. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Shalom.